Welcome to Life Change Community. We're in a series called Daily Life with Christ. In that series, there's a little subset series on worship. This is going to be the third day that we talk about worship. The first day was about reading the Bible, and then the next part was about prayer and tied to that worship. And within worship, today we're going to talk about gratitude. Being thankful is one of the most positive, effective, healing emotions and attitudes that you can have in your life. Grateful people tend to live longer. Grateful people tend to be more optimistic people. Grateful people tend to see life turning out in a better way than pessimistic or ungrateful or negative people. And here's the beautiful part about gratitude. You can choose to be grateful. So can I. The Bible says, be grateful in all things. Be thankful for all things. Brad, be thankful for the bad in my life. I think it means to understand that God is still at work even in the bad. And so we say, God, thank you. I think being thankful at all times means that in all circumstances, we can choose to find something for which to give thanks. Let me give you an example. I could bemoan the huge monthly rent that I pay for my townhouse. Oh, it's so much. And the fact is, it's so much. Or I can choose to say, God, thank you that I have a beautiful place to live and a place to come home to every day and a roof over my head. God, thank you that when I was 17 days from homelessness, you provided a means and provided people that helped me have a place to live. You see, even in that, I can choose. Am I going to look at the bad part of this, the deficit, the downside, or am I going to understand within all things are things for which to be thankful? That's how you're thankful in all things. Here's a powerful part about gratitude and thankfulness. It's impossible to be depressed and thankful at the same time. It's impossible to be negative and anxious and thankful at the same time. And so, in our anxious moments, in our depressed moments, to turn our mind toward those things for which we can be thankful is a healing experience. In those times when our fears are running away from us, when we catastrophize what the future is going to be like. Oh my gosh, the sky is falling. Everything's bad. My finances are in the toilet. My health is ruined. My relationships are wrecked. I get to those places. And when we do, we take a breath and we begin to choose to find those parts of life, even in the hard parts of life, or you can say, God, even still, even now, there is plenty for which to give thanks. And I'm going to choose to thank you. And you say, Brad, how does this tie to worship? Worship is praising God. It's ascribing to God all of His worth. It's ascribing to God all of our love. And tied to praise is thanksgiving. With praise and thanksgiving, we come before the Lord. That's not just so God gets His kicks and says, okay, my people were courteous and they said thanks. God designed gratitude because He knows that thankfulness will change our life.